Hello and welcome to Lockdown Chronicles. It's episode 52. Just as news was trickling in this part of the world about skies opening up, India is going to open bookings from Monday onwards, and Pakistan opened just yesterday. And here's the bad news: there's been a crash. I just saw it on the BBC website, and it talks about a flight from Lahore to Karachi with 99 people on board, 8 crew, and the news sounds pretty awful. So our hearts go out to all those who were on that plane. I hope a few have survived, and our condolences to family members who may have lost people during that crash. What can I say? The news just doesn't seem to get any better. I mean, today I was looking at reports in the newspapers about people who are on the front line wearing those PPE suits. They're so uncomfortable, they're so miserable in this heat, but at the same time, they don't have the leisure to even take a break to go to the toilet. So some of them have taken to wearing adult diapers. Can you imagine the pressure that they're under? I mean, this sounds inhuman. Then come more stories which show us in the worst light, because Abhishek Singhvi has put out this video of a migrant or worker sitting on the side of the road and devouring the carcass of a dead dog. Is that the depth we've sunk to? I mean, we have enough food grain, we really do. And we have no business to starve our people. So while the Prime Minister has just stepped out after being, in a lockdown situation for 83 days, he has taken a flight, gone to Kolkata, was received at the airport by Mamata and the governor. And it's the right thing to do, of course, but it's also the politically correct thing to do, given the not the best and the most cordial relationship that the Prime Minister has enjoyed with the Chief Minister of West Bengal. However, there have been 80 deaths across the state, and the devastation, we're still figuring out just how bad it has been. So it's the right gesture from the Prime Minister, 83 days after a lockdown, and there he is in Kolkata. On the other front, I'm trying to keep my spirits going as best as I can. We are looking around ourselves, taking small joys and small pleasures out of little things. I look at videos of my grandchildren, and that really keeps me going, and I can't wait for the lockdown to lift whenever that happens, so that we can finally get to have FaceTime, touch, because human beings are not accustomed to this social distancing. We are people who, and particularly this part of the world, we are people, we like to express ourselves. We like to reach out and touch and hug and speak with our eyes, and our everything about us says, come and give me a hug. So to be able to maintain that kind of protocol long term is going to be almost impossible, and it's something I am not ready to get used to. To cheer myself up, I watched a film which is a 2001 film directed by Farhan Akhtar. You know which it is, of course, Dil Chahta Hai. The lyrics are so fantastic. Those are by his father, the great lyricist Javed Akhtar, and I'm going to attempt to sing it because I watched it and I said, oh my God, I just want to be in that convertible. I want to be on a road trip. I want to be one of the boys. Okay, so Dil Chahta Hai, kabhi na Dil Chahta Hai, kabhi na beete chamkele din. We are waiting for this chamkeli din. Till then, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Let's hope there are chamkeli din ahead for all of us, for the whole world. Bye bye.